Hi guys, PBN here. How are you doing? It's been a long time since I met you all, and today I'm here with an unboxing. What you're seeing here, or what I have got here, is Sound One Bluetooth headset. Sound One BT-06 Bluetooth headset from Amazon.in. So this particularly a Bluetooth headphone, which is really promising. I saw its reviews before buying, and it has a lot of cool features, which I'm gonna see myself and review later. But this is the unboxing video. Earlier I owned the Sennheiser, which was really great. This thing is really good. It's been more than 1.5 years. Sennheiser headphones, they are really great. And now I thought, let me change it. I needed a wireless headset, so I bought one. This is a wired headset, but it's really awesome, so probably it's time to change. So this is the unboxing video. Let's go on. And yeah, one more thing which I probably failed to mention is it comes around 1890 rupees. Yeah, it says 1940, but its original price is somewhere like, quoted price is 3,900 something, 3,900, and I got it for a discount. It was 1890, that is okay, 1900 rupees. And yeah, let's go ahead with unboxing. Okay, let me keep it aside. Holy moly, see this guys, I want you to see this. This is the headphone. It has another cool looking box inside, and it's really honestly looking awesome. Sound One it is. Try to take it out. Superb. This is what I was looking for. Looks superb. Let me focus properly so that you guys can have a closer look at it. Yeah, as I said, it's wireless Sound One BT-06 model, red color headphone. It's available in 4 color variants. Like this is the red color variant. It has a blue, full complete white, and a full complete black. So I like this red color one. And yeah, as you can see, Bluetooth, it supports Bluetooth. That's how it works. And it's supposed to have FM features, USB charging, and memory card. Okay, let me see what I have got here. So let me keep this box aside for a moment. Actually, I'm expecting to get a USB charger as well, and premium aux cord. It can be used as both wireless as well as wired headset. If the battery dies, and you can just plug a wire to it, plug the other side to your mobile or a laptop, and start using it. It's that simple, wired come wireless headset. So I'm not seeing those two things now. Let me, however, open it and then tell you the review. Yeah, as I was saying, it is supposed to have a memory slot and a FM. I don't know if the FM really works, but I need to check it out, which I'll be doing, which will be covered in the later review. Right now it's just unboxing, and yeah, let me unbox further without any further delay. Before that, yeah, let me turn around and see what it is. Yeah, here you can have a good look. Style headphone with remote. Okay, cool looking box for sure. Waterproof and anti-sweat. It's, yeah, one more thing I had to mention is it is supposed to be an extra bass. It is boasted of an extra bass, so it gives you a really loud bass, and yeah, it features noise cancellation also. I don't know how effective it is, but it does feature a noise cancellation mic. So it's over the ear, so you can expect that it will not be disturbed from the background noise or the surrounding noise. And yeah, however, all those things will be able to test. And yeah, these are pretty much the languages. That's it. And yeah, what do we have here? Packable folding headphones. Yes, this is one more thing I forgot to mention. Yeah, this can be folded. Yeah, it is very portable. Even though they look pretty bigger, when you're carrying, they are just like this. Like earlier, my Sennheiser headphones, they were portable. You can just fold them like this. Really easy to carry. They had provided a carrying case here. Put inside the carrying case, carry. That's it. Very, very comfortable, very portable. And it does not have a carrying case, but it still can be folded. That's one more added feature which adds to portability. Okay then, let's move on to unboxing. Let's open it and take it out. So yeah, it's just you're required to lift this piece. Beautiful. Let me keep it there. Looking good. Okay, what does it say? Something. And here's the headphone, guys. Okay, they really do look shiny and beautiful. Wow, I'm really liking them. Look good, but I have to say the cushions here do not. This is okay, but ear cups are okay, but here the cushions here do not feel really premium. It's kind of okay, but yeah, they do not feel extremely premium, although it's 1900. Okay, well, let me keep it aside for a moment. And yeah, one more thing is, I was almost afraid that I did not get micro USB charger and not a micro USB, it's a USB charger and the premium aux cord that I was talking about, but peace out. Yeah, thank God that it's there. You see this transparent cover? Just take it out and keep it aside. Here's the headphone, which really does look good in this white background, the red color and the black color mix. I'm really liking it. Yes, finally, here are the accessories, additional accessories. Give me a minute. Yeah, additional accessories that I was speaking about. Okay. What's this? No mind. This, I think, yeah, let me focus for you guys. Yeah, is a user manual, probably. Product description, functional description, button description. Yeah, because there are so many buttons actually, so it is pretty handy, I suppose. It's pretty handy to get to know the functionalities, how to use all those things. So let me give this aside too. It'll be useful. And yeah, here are the two accessories. And yeah, this is the charger. This is the charger that I was speaking about, the USB charger. Hope you can see this. Yeah, and this one, is the aux cord. Yeah, the wired, yeah, to convert it into a wired headset. This one end goes here into the headset, and the other end, yeah, into your laptop or your mobile phone 3.5mm jack. That is where you plug your headphones or earphones. Goes like there, goes there, so that you can use this baby even when its battery dies. Actually, I don't know if the battery is replaceable or not. I doubt it. I had asked the seller, I had asked the question in Amazon, but it's been 2 days, I think 2 or 3 days. They have not replied to me, so no answers about replaceability of the battery. And yeah, as I said, it does boast these. It has a mic inbuilt, so it's a call answering button. The menu button is here. It helps in FM radio. You can listen to FM radio. That's what the company claims, although I really doubt it, but as I said, I'll cover it in my later reviews. This is volume up and down or channel changing button if you can use the FM radio. And here, I don't know if you can see here, there's a micro USB charger and a memory card slot where you can insert a 16GB memory card and listen to the MP3 songs directly. So this is pretty much the Bluetooth headset, guys, from SoundWad. I think you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I have provided this is the unboxing. I have provided as much of information as I could, and yeah, as I said, I'll do the entire full review. All the features will be covered, how it works, how best it is, how the noise cancellation is, how effective it is, does the FM radio really work, what about the cord slot, how fast it charges. Yeah, and when it comes to charging, the company says it's rapid charging. The headset can be charged in 1.5 to 2 hours, and it gives a battery backup of 6 to 8 hours. Not really very much. Well, it boasts a 300 milliamp hour battery, and it can give you a backup of 6 to 8 hours and a standby time of 30 hours. So well, with all those features listed in the website and in the book, I'm about to test it, and I'll give you a full review I hope you watched the unboxing. Well, thank you for watching and peace out. Thank you. Signing off, PBN. Bye bye. Peace out.